Hey guys, welcome back. Today we will make some delicious ribs in our smoker, so stay tuned. We start by removing the silver skin from the ribs because it prevents seasoning to penetrate the meat. When done, we sprinkle some garlic powder on top, followed by some onion powder, salt, and freshly ground black pepper. We season them on all sides, and we add them to our smoker. The temperature inside our smoker is roughly 100 degrees Celsius. We smoke the ribs for roughly 1 hour while adding a small piece of cherry wood onto the charcoal every 20 minutes because it will give a much better flavor. The time is up, so we take them out, and on a piece of aluminum foil we season them with soy sauce and some sweet chili sauce. We wrap them tight and we put them back into the smoker for another 3 hours at 120 degrees Celsius. It takes some time to make these ribs, but man, it is worth it. The sweet chili and the soy sauce caramelized onto the ribs, and the meat simply falls off the bone. Try it out and let us know what you think. If you enjoy our content, don't forget to subscribe, like, and leave us a comment below. Thank you for watching, and see you on the next one.